Now we have to test the board we just soldered. We'll do that by connecting the battery, but before connecting the battery we have to make sure that these 2 points are not shorted through the board. If there is some mistake in the board, the battery will burn. So before connecting the battery, we'll just take a continuity test on these 2 pins. The continuity test is on DMM. It is the beeper test. So whenever I connect these 2 pins of DMM, the DMM beeps. So I'll just connect these 2 pins to the power points of the board and make sure that it doesn't beep. It doesn't beep, that means it is not shorted through the board. I'll just put the board on and again connect it so it doesn't beep again. So that means there is no problem in the circuit and we are ready to connect the battery. I'll just put it off and I'll connect the battery. Now when I put the board on, the LED should glow. Okay, and it does. So that means we're successful so far. All the points which need VCC have got VCC, all the points which need ground have got ground. That is what the LED indicates. Now we'll just test our L293D IC. These are the inputs of the IC and these are the outputs. So I'll just connect the input to a 2-pin relay met. Okay, and I need to connect the output to a motor. So this is the motor, and I've connected the wires of the motor to a 2-pin relay met again, so that it is easy for me to connect it over here like this. And I've connected the black wire to black and the brown to red, and I've used the insulation tapes. Always use insulation tapes so that there is no short circuit. Okay, I'll just connect the motor to the output of L293. Now these are the first 2 inputs and these are the first 2 outputs. Now the motor should rotate when I give one of these 2 pins ground and one of these other pin to VCC. So we know that these 3 pins are VCC and these 3 pins are ground. So I'll connect one pin to one and the other pin to the other, and the motor should rotate. Let's see. Oh, it does. Okay, it rotates. Just place it like this. Okay, I know that the heat sink of the 7805 is ground, so I'll just place one pin to this heat sink, and let's see if the motor rotates. If I connect it to this, it does. So our L293D IC is working and the half part of the circuit is certainly working. So we can obviously make a line following robot only using sensors. We just have to build the sensor circuit now. We'll do that in the next video.